Decorating the house.
Mom, are we not celebrating New Year this year?
Why do you ask that, dear?
Because everyone is decorating their home. Even my friends send me pictures of lights and balloons. But look at our house. Nothing bright, nothing colorful.
Oh, sweetheart, we were just busy. We didn't plan anything yet.
But it feels sad, Mom. New Year is tomorrow. I want our home to feel special too.
Hey, who said we are not celebrating?
Brother, look around. Nothing is happening here.
So, what? We can start now. It's never too late to celebrate.
Really? We will decorate.
Not we will. We are decorating. Right now. Tonight. Full energy.
But what about decorations? We didn't buy anything.
Not true. I secretly bought some yesterday. Surprise time.
What? You bought decorations for us?
Of course, New Year without decorations. Not possible in our family.
Look at him, always full of surprises.
Come on, Lina. Let's take the box to the balcony.
Balcony? Why balcony?
Because everyone can see it from outside, let's make our home shine.
I love that. Let's make it the most beautiful balcony in the whole building.
Yes, that's the spirit.
You both go. I'll bring scissors, tape, and hooks.
Brother, can I choose where the lights will go?
You are the decoration manager. You have full power.
Heh, then balloons will go near the railing. Lights on the top. Stars on the corner.
Perfect. We'll do exactly as you say.
Bro, thank you. I was feeling sad before, but now I feel excited.
That's why I bought decorations. I knew you love celebrations.
I love them because I celebrate with you.
And I love them because you make them special.
Okay, my decoration superstars. Ready to start?
Yes. Let's make magic.
New Year mode on.
New Year countdown begins.
Mom, look. The decorations look so beautiful at night. I can't stop looking at them.
Yes, dear. The whole balcony is glowing. You did a really good job. At them.
Brother also. He helped me with everything.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Hee. You always say that.
And it's always true.
What time is it now?
It's 11:45. Just 15 more minutes for New Year.
15 minutes only. I'm feeling excited, but also nervous. I don't know why.
That's normal, sweetheart. A new year feels like opening a new chapter.
Really? A new chapter?
Yes, new hopes, new dreams, new memories to create.
And new mistakes also, because mistakes help us grow.
That's true. This year I made some mistakes.
Everyone did, even I did, but the new year means we get another chance to be better.
I want to become better, kinder, smarter, more confident.
And you will. I'm proud of the girl you're becoming.
Mom, can I tell something?
Of course.
I don't want the new year to come fast, because when time moves fast, people grow and things change, and sometimes I feel scared.
Hey, listen to me. Change is not always bad. Sometimes change brings happiness, surprises, and new chances.
But what if one day you're not here with me? What if you become busy with your own life?
Who told you that? No matter how big I become, I will always come back to you.
Promise.
Promise, I will celebrate every new year with you. Always.
Thank you. I feel safe now.
Look at these two. You both make me emotional.
Okay. No crying today. Today is a celebration day.
Yes, only smile day.
Countdown will start soon. 11 minutes left.
Mom, we should stand up when countdown starts, right?
Yes, we'll stand together, hold hands, and welcome the new year as a family.
Can I play some music softly?
Yes, pick a happy song. No sad songs today.
Deal. Bro, this is the best new year ever.
It's just getting started.
I can't wait for the countdown.
It's coming soon. Be ready for the loudest celebration.
Fireworks.
Bro, my heart is beating so fast.
Mine too, but it feels good, right?
Yes, like something magical is coming.
Okay, everyone, hold hands tight.
Wait. Am I late?
Dad, just in time. Come fast.
You almost missed the countdown.
Never. Not today.
Everyone together loudly and excitedly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Lina.
Happy New Year, my family.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Bro, look, that golden one. It looks like a flower.
Yes, and that blue one looks like a star exploding.
This is so beautiful. I don't want this moment to disappear.
Let this moment stay in your heart forever.
Every year, the sky shines, but tonight feels different.
Because tonight, we are together.
I love you all so much. You know that?
And we love you even more.
Bro, you're watching the fireworks, but your eyes look little emotional. Why?
When fireworks end, the sky becomes quiet again. Just like life, happy moments go quickly.
Then we should make more happy moments, again and again.
Yes, more fireworks in life for every day.
Come closer, group hug.
I wish this hug could last forever.
It will, even when we are not hugging, the feeling remains.
Okay. Before we all cry again, look up. The biggest fireworks are starting.
This is what happiness looks like.
Yes, pure happiness.
And I'm happy because of our family, not because of the fireworks.
You are the light of this family, Lina.
And we are proud of you, today and always.
The fireworks ended, but I still feel happy.
Because happiness is not in the sky. It's right here with family.
New Year wishes.
Sue, now we write our wishes, right?
Yes, one wish for the new year. Fold it and put it inside the jar.
And we don't tell anyone what we wrote.
And next New Year, we will open the jar and see how many wishes came true.
Woo! That sounds fun.
Here, Lina, take a paper and a pen.
Thank you, bro. What should I write?
Write whatever your heart wants.
Even the smallest wish matters.
Okay, I'm thinking.
Don't think too much. Let it come naturally.
Dear New Year, please.
No peeking, mister.
I didn't look, but I'm curious.
You will know next year only.
I finished mine already.
Me too. It feels good to write a wish.
I'm almost done. Okay? Finished.
Wait, I want to write one more thing.
Only one wish allowed.
But my heart has 2 wishes.
Okay, for Lina only, 2 wishes are allowed.
She's our little princess. Exceptions are okay.
Okay, write both. But next year, only one.
I will try, but no promises. Hee hee. Bro, you put your wish first.
No, Lina first.
Okay, for luck.
My turn.
Done.
And mine?
Now close the jar, quickly,
Why quickly?
so the wishes don't escape into the air.
That's so cute.
Then close it tight, bro. Now promise, next year we will open this jar together.
Promise.
Even if we are busy,
We will make time.
even if we fight,
Families can fight, but they never stop loving.
then I'm not scared anymore.
Why were you scared?
Sometimes, when you're sad or stressed, I feel like maybe one day we will not be close anymore.
Lina, no matter how old I become, no matter where I go, you will always be my little sister.
Really?
Forever and ever.
You too, you make my heart full.
This is the real New Year gift, family love.
Can I hug everyone?
Come here.
Family dinner together.
Wow, the table looks like a hotel.
Because today is special.
And because we made everything together.
I'm starving already. Can we start? Lina, you want to serve the rice.
Yes. I feel like a chef tonight.
Then here you go, Chef Lina.
I will serve the chicken curry.
And I'll serve the noodles.
So we are a hotel now?
A hotel, but only for family.
And tips are paid with hugs.
Then I will give extra hugs.
Mom, this chicken curry tastes amazing.
Thank you. I followed a new recipe.
I love it. And the noodles too.
I cook them.
Then I love you also.
Finally, I got some appreciation.
Everyone, before eating more, I want to say something.
Oh no, Dad's emotional speech is coming.
I like Dad's speeches.
Thank you, Lina. This year, I want us to eat together more, talk more, laugh more, share more. Life is short, but family makes it beautiful.
I love that. I want more days like this. I love that. I want more days like this.
Me too. I missed this kind of dinner.
Work, school, stress. Everything takes our time. But tonight, we remembered what is truly important.
Can we make one promise?
Yes, or you start.
Every month, one family dinner like this. No excuses.
I promise.
Then I promise too. Every family dinner, I will make dessert.
Free dessert forever. I'm in.
Yes, my love is free. My dessert is free too.
This is the happiest New Year I ever had.
Same for me.
Bro, are you happy?
Completely happy.
Even when you grow up, even when you get a job, even if you go far away, you will still come for family dinner, right?
Lina, I may grow up, I may get busy, but family will always be my home.
Then, I'm not scared anymore.
To family, to love, to New Year.
To memories that stay forever.
Hello, friends. Tonight was very special for our family. We decorated the house together. We counted down to the new year together. We watched fireworks together. We shared our wishes together. We ate dinner together, and most importantly, we remembered that family is our real happiness. Life gets busy, people grow up, things change every year. But the love inside a family, that should never change. If you are watching this video right now, I want to tell you something as a brother. Spend time with your family. Talk to them, eat with them, celebrate with them. Because these moments become memories, and memories stay forever. If our New Year story touched your heart and helped you learn real-life English sentences, please like, comment, and share this video. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to Beginner English Zone for more emotional stories and natural English conversations. Thank you for watching. Friends, I hope the coming year brings happiness, peace, and love to your home. Happy New Year once again, from our family to yours.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Beginner English Zone.